This is David Talbot, and I'm CTO of WorkMovr, and I'd like to introduce you to our WorkMovr application. Our objective was to take the guesswork and uncertainty out of how to get started in Caspio. So we provide a generic, ready-made working application that you can see and understand. Then it's easier to consider how to adapt it to your organization. WorkMovr is a generic, fully configured, well-tested operational implementation of Caspio. You start with proven stuff. We've probably done 5 years and over 100,000 hours of Caspio development, and we quickly realized that 3/4 of most applications is pretty standard. Basic data maintenance, messages, documents, etc. We attempt to give you this 3/4 on day one. What we've done is we've gathered together the best components from our work into a cohesive package. As our clients can take advantage of pre-written out-of-the-box components that would otherwise consume considerable time and money to write from scratch. And believe me, it did take us considerable time and effort to write them from scratch. WorkMovr is intentionally presented with a generic, boring user interface. The intent is function. The styling depends on you, the client, and the process. We're not graphic designers, we're engineers. We encourage you to provide us with user interface storyboards, and we will replicate the style in Caspio. WorkMovr is supplied either in its entirety or as individual components. The WorkMovr foundation is very standard Caspio, upon which we've built a variety of extensions. These extensions greatly expand Caspio in messaging, voice, document handling, finance, asynchronous processing, internationalization, logistics, and maybe especially in native mobile apps. We make major use of external service providers, especially Amazon AWS. WorkMovr uses AWS as a complementary ingredient, and we use that with extensive use of Caspio REST APIs. We strongly believe in using external service providers as part of the WorkMovr offering. These service providers include Google Maps, Analytics, AdWords, Twilio, Stripe, Square, PayPal, Plaid, ACH Works, Fixer Calendar, OnFleet, ShipEngine, DocuSign, and several others. I personally recorded these videos, and certainly these videos are not quality cinema, but they're my accurate representation of the design that we put together for your benefit. Thank you.